Hello, Joshua. Please, can you tell us what happened in court today, if you can hear me? Joshua, can you tell us what happened in court today?
Yeah, good afternoon to you, Darshan. Well, continuing cross-examination, the defense counsel, that is person of J.B. Dauda, questioned the witness brought forth before the court. That is the person of Nicholas Ojehomon, the internal auditor with the American International School in Abuja. The internal auditor with the American International School, Abuja, testified before the court that there is actually a ruling before another court, but Yahaya Bello was not a party to that particular case happening in another court. Well, the defense counsel ended the cross-examination of the witness before the court, and the counsel to the EFCC actually moved to cross-examine the witness on that particular document, which they had argued for and against earlier. Well, this was opposed by the defense counsel, who said you cannot cross-examine that particular witness unless you first render that particular witness as a hostile witness. Now, Kemi Pinheiro, that's the counsel representing the EFCC, clarified that he was not cross-examining, but he was just attempting to examine. Well, there were arguments back and forth, until the bench actually said he was going to give a ruling on the matter and adjourned to June 26 to rule on the matter.
All right, Joshua, but how many witnesses are expected to testify in court against Yahaya Bello and the family?
Well, the EFCC said earlier that they had 26 witnesses, and they complained that the time taken to examine and cross-examine that particular witness, that is the internal auditor with the American International School in Abuja, has elongated and is prolonging the court process. They even voiced opinion saying that they think that the defense counsel was trying to stall and waste time on this particular witness, that they can even take over 4 months on this particular case. But we know, because of what they said earlier in court, that they have 26 witnesses lined up to testify against Yahaya Bello to substantiate their claim of the alleged money laundering before the court.
Well, Joshua, do we also have an idea why the school is yet to be summoned? Can you hear me? Do we have an idea why the school is yet to be summoned?
Well, the school has been summoned. The internal auditor, that is the person of Nicholas Ojehomon, is the one representing the school. Sometime yesterday, the defense counsel questioned the internal auditor, saying, you are the one being told to represent the school in standing as witness in the ongoing trial of Yahaya Bello. He confirmed yes. He now further asked him if this particular decision was contested amongst the board of governors of the school. Immediately, the EFCC witness raised an objection, saying the witness who is being called for, that's the prosecuting witness, that is the person of the internal auditor of the American International School in Abuja, cannot know the mind of the board of governors, neither can he know the mind of the principal. So they were saying that that question was preemptive, and the bench actually ruled out that question. So for sure, the witness that is standing before the court, that is the person of Nicholas Ojehomon, is representing the American International School in Abuja as the front person to testify in court.
Well, thank you, Joshua, for that update. We'll continue to keep tabs on the story.